A massive BJP versus Aghadi government showdown has erupted over Janmashtami celebrations in Maharashtra. The Uddhav Thackeray government has put in place SOPs for Janmashtami celebrations to take place by August 10, but the move has triggered fresh war of words between BJP and Aghadi government. BJP MLA Ram Kadam hit out at Thackeray government over its decision to allow liquor shops to reopen. The BJP leader said that the Aghadi government is asking people not to celebrate the Dahi Handi Utsav. Kadam declared that his party will celebrate Janmashtami with full fervour, keeping COVID norms in mind. The BJP leader's declaration has evoked strong criticism from the Aghadi government. The Thackeray government has warned against violating COVID-related protocols.
हिंदू विरोधी कोई भी फैसला हम महाराष्ट्र सरकार का नहीं सुनेंगे। भगवान कृष्ण के जन्म का उत्सव श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी हम धूमधाम से मनाएंगे। जरूर सरकार कोई नियम बना सकती है कोविड को लेकर, हम उन नियमों का पालन करेंगे।
अगर बीजेपी के विधायक मोदी जी का नहीं सुन रहे हैं तो इससे ज्यादा और कुछ बुरा हो नहीं सकता। लेकिन जो नियम बनाए जाएंगे उस पर अमल करना सबकी जिम्मेदारी रहेगी। अगर अमल नहीं होगा तो निश्चित रूप से प्रशासन उन पर कार्रवाई करेगा।
Pankaj Upadhyay is reporting from Mumbai, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Pankaj, Maharashtra government has warned against COVID violators, and the BJP hits out as far as the Dahi Handi festival is concerned. Everybody understands the religious sentiments attached to this, but the fact of the matter here is the government is trying its best to control the COVID situation, and there is a threat of a looming third wave. Then what is the opposition's problem in Maharashtra?
Good morning, Chaiti. So this is a little interesting. While on one hand, you have the Maharashtra government, which has allowed the various sectors to open. Maharashtra is slowly opening up as the cases are going down. But as you rightly pointed out, on the other hand, we not only have the fear of the third wave, but over the last 48 hours, we've seen how the Delta plus variant cases are also on the rise in the state. Now we have 5 deaths. We have a total of 66 cases. And considering this aspect, it remains to be seen as to what sort of guidelines and standard operating procedures will be laid out by the government. Already, the various Govinda Mandals have met the state government. They have put in their appeals as well. They have said that only those people and the Govindas who are vaccinated will be actively participating. And they said in their appeal that at least for keeping tradition alive, they be allowed to celebrate the festival. But it remains to be seen. Government, of course, will take the opinion of the COVID task force as well, and then come out with the guideline. But before that could happen, we have this very controversial sort of statement that has come out by the Bharatiya Janata Party saying that come what may, they will celebrate the festival. They have their reasoning that while on one hand the government has allowed various sectors to open and that a lot of restrictions have been pulled away, the temples are not being opened and that the festivals are not being allowed to celebrate. So this is a very controversial stance rather, and that's the reason why we have the Maha Vikas Aghadi government, reciprocating and saying that the police action would be taken if Bharatiya Janata Party does not abide by the rules. So at least for now, it really seems that this is going to grow into a big political war between the BJP and the MPA.
And I think all the political parties need to realize that this is not about religion, this is not about faith, and this is just about COVID protocols. It's about lives here. We leave it at that. Pankaj will keep coming back to you and get more political reactions as well.